I saw the flickering shadows of love on her blind. She was my woman. As she deceived me, I watched and went out of my mind. See, that girl was no good for me, but I was lost like a slave that no man could free. At break of day when that man drove away, I was waiting. I crossed the street to her house and she opened the door. She stood there laughing. I felt the knife in my hand and she laughed no more. My Delilah. Why, Delilah? So to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore. She stood there laughing. I felt